Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to tell about how to passing the data to class methods. Very important concepts. In previous video, I already told about you how you can take the data from keyboard and assign to the class properties. So these are the called a class properties, class, class properties, and these are called method or implementation of class, method or implementation of class. Okay, so what I have going to be done here, first of all I have to write here as a s dot stud input. Okay, so here I am passing roll number and after that name. What is the name? There is name called as a suppose QWERTY keypad. Okay, passing the data from to the functions, class function or class method. So here you have to define the name to assign that data to that particular variables. So here you have to declare role name. Okay, then here from this side remove it and assign that role and a name. Okay, when it is going to be run it, it will be shows this information which are passing from here, or you can take this information through keyboard also. You can take that information as dot roll equal to int within bracket input. Okay, enter roll dot name. Okay, enter student. Okay, so you can take the data through this way also, which are generally I declare these statements inside the function, and that information also you can take outside the function also. You can access the properties by s dot role, s dot name, but here I am take directly passing the argument to that particular method. Okay, now I am going to run it. Okay, it will asking you as a student role and student name, but it is not saving here. It's not giving the asking that's a student name, student role. So I first save it and then it is going to close it. Okay, then after that I want to start. Okay, the role of the student is 453 and the name of the student is QWERTY keypad. Okay, so in this way you can passing the arguments to that method. Okay, class method or implementation part. You can pass the data in this way. So if you have any doubt, go through this and practice it and write inside a comment section what is your problem. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. If you have it helpful to share this video to your friends. Thank you.